Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to delete Coinbase Wallet application from your iPhone. If you're done using Coinbase Wallet application and you'd like to get rid of it right from your mobile devices, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button and also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's jump right into the video. In order to delete Coinbase Wallet application from your iPhone, spot the application from the app drawer. Press hold to the app and you should see a pop-up menu. Select Remove App from the list. To delete the application entirely from your iPhone, tap on Delete App button in red. In the pop-up, confirm your selection by tapping on Delete. That is how you can easily delete Coinbase Wallet application from your iPhone. In the future, if you want to get the application back again, you'll need to go ahead and download it from your app store. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.